A very good morning to you all. I am Dr. C. Andal, Associate Professor, Department of Physics. Welcome you all for this state-level webinar conducted by Enrico Journal Club, first year BTech ENT, with a constant support and blessings from our management. I extend my special welcome to our Dean Ma'am, Dr. Inna Subhashi, who motivate to organize this webinar, and I request you to deliver the welcome gathering, ma'am.
For us to think in such an angle and to bring everybody together to have such an enlightened session. As we all know, research is a systematic investigation, study of material sources, which is needed to establish various facts and research and to arrive at new conclusions. Now, whatever research we are going to do, whatever we do, it has to be documented in a proper manner. So that is why we go in for such projects. So if we need to do projects, we need to have funding. Even though many of us have completed or many of us are in a research field for many years, still we have some dilemma and some doubts in applying for funding. Right? So we have to, if we need to have multiple dimensions or what I can say, multiple interdisciplinary research, if you want to travel in various dimensions, we need to know exactly what is the project, how to do it, and how to apply for a correct funding. So keeping this in mind, the Enrico Journal Club came with this program, Art of Research, Article Writing and Publication. I welcome and I thank Dr. K. Jayalakshmi, our chief guest today, for sparing her valuable time with us. So I hope this session will be very useful to us. And I thank the organizer for giving me this opportunity. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much for your motivational talk and also very inspirational talks to us. Because of you only, we are organizing this type of online webinar. With your support only, we are all doing all the work and getting succeeded also. Now, I call upon Dr. V. Bharati Devi to present the welcome address.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to everybody. It is my privilege to present the welcome address for this wonderful session. I am so thankful to our Honorable President Sir for accepting to organize this webinar. I am so thankful to our Vice Chancellor Dr. S. Geeta Lakshmi ma'am and Joint Registrar Academic and Admin Dr. V. Sirudan Sir and Joint Registrar ENS Dr. D.B. Zabraz Sir and Dr. L. Ramesh, Dean EPA. My special thanks to our Dean Dr. Inna Subhashi ma'am for arranging this excellent webinar. I am extending my heartiest thankful to our speaker, Dr. K. Jayalakshmi, for accepting our invitation to talk about art of research, article writing and publishing. And once again, I welcome to all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Before starting the presentation, I request all the participants as kindly unmute your microphone and switch off the camera. Please don't click the present. The participants can post their queries only in chat box. The feedback link will be provided during the question and answer sessions. Thanks in advance for your cooperation. Now I request our honorable speaker to present her presentation. Ma'am,
I'm sure.
Okay. You can start to present now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, dear participants of this webinar.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, the participants asked some. The participants gave their queries in chat box, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I ask one by one, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
First question.
Okay,
how many authors can you have in journal, and how many authors can get credit for Scopus journal?
Not such.
How many?
Not such a number or count is there, ma'am. If their work is good, if they are really working for that, we can cite authors also. Even there are papers with 10 authors also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. The next question, ma'am. Is it to choose journal before start to write research article?
Yes, ma'am. We want to pick the journal. Then only we can able to write, prepare a manuscript up to that standard.
Next question, ma'am. How H index of author is credited? Ma'am?
Ma'am, we'll be collecting all the articles. That is what are the papers published, and we will have the citation number. You want to means you want to arrange the citation number in a larger to smaller one, and that number of citations, for example, fifth paper, fifth order, you have a citation of 5. That is fifth paper have a citation of 5. So the H index is 5.
Thank you, ma'am. Next question, ma'am. How can we write covering letter?
Covering letter, we want to specify what is the importance and what you are going to what are the research findings you are going to find, and we want to emphasize and how it suits the journal also. Like that wordings you want to write in the covering letter.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. The next question, ma'am. What is the benefit of getting mentioned on academia by our name?
Ma'am, you can check what is the all this information, author metrics can be done. We can, if once like a research kit, we are getting all the informations of the author, how much you have published, and what type of who are the other co-authors working, and who are the related person working in that field. So that can be written, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Then another question, ma'am. How to write the highlights of your manuscript, ma'am?
The interesting facts you want to write the highlight. For example, we are the first person to did this, and we have got efficiency in a very good manner. That points, the specific point, an interesting point, what you find in the manuscript should be can be given as a highlights.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you very much for your wonderful replies to all the questions raised in this online webinar, ma'am. I forgot to tell one thing. As our invited talk is the rank holder of UG and PG grade degree in St. Joseph College, and also she completed her PhD in NIT Trichy in the Department of Chemistry. She published 9 papers in Scopus Index journal also. She completed 2 12 weeks NPTEL courses, and she organized so many conferences, online FDP during this lockdown period, and also she organized a national workshop, everything also. Now, I think it's the time to going to end up our session.
Excuse me.
So yes, sir.
Please share the feedback link. It is not opening.
Sir, it is going to open, share, sir. It is going to share now in chat box. Now I call upon, it is going to share now, sir. Now I call upon Ms. B. Swapna to present vote of thanks.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good afternoon to one and all present here. It's my great privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this special day on behalf of Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute, Enrico Journal Club with the first year ENT. I wish to express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Founder Chancellor, Dr. A.C. Shanmugam Sir, our Honorable President Engineer ACS Arun Kumar Sir, for accepting this to conduct the wonderful webinar, and my wonderful thanks to Vice Chancellor Dr. Geeta Lakshmi Madam, Registrar Dr. C.B. Panivelu Sir, Joint Registrars Dr. Cyril Raj Sir and Dr. D.B. Jabrat Sir, our dynamic dean, Dr. N.S. Subashri ma'am, for her support, and Dean EPA Dr. L. Rameshwar and Research Coordinator Dr. S. Sultan Noordin sir. I am very happy to convey my special thanks to the resource person Dr. K. Jayalakshmi madam for spending her valuable time on this occasion. Our speech about research, article writing and publication is awesome. The way in which she has explained is very excellent, and she answered all questions which was raised by the participants. I extend my heartiest thanks to the organizing team and participants. Thank you all.
Hello, ma'am.
For all the participants,
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
the feedback link will be provided in the chat box, sir.
Feedback link is not working, ma'am.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. We will checking